Light-burning magnesium ball press equipment application range. Light-burning magnesium ball pressing machine can be the powder of light-burning magnesium powder, forced extrusion by the ball pressing machine. After forming, let the relevant industries to use light-burning magnesium ball pressing machine energy saving and environmental protection, easy to transport, improve the utilization of waste, has good economic and social benefits. After years of industrial use and improvement, light-burning magnesium ball press has high pellet rate, small power consumption, compact structure, easy maintenance and debugging, and other obvious advantages. Light-burning magnesium ball press is widely used in resistant materials, power plants, metallurgy, chemical industry, energy, transportation, heating, and other industries. Light-burning magnesium ball press is composed of 3 parts. They are feeding part, the main transmission system forming part, the main host part of the ball press. The core part is the roll.